We all know that humans need to breathe oxygen to survive. Fish also depend on oxygen, the oxygen that is dissolved in the water. Fish, snails, crayfish, insects, and other animals that live in the water need certain levels of oxygen to survive. Waters that have consistently high levels of dissolved oxygen are usually considered healthy and stable ecosystems, capable of supporting many different kinds of aquatic animals. Waters that have low levels of dissolved oxygen, less than 5 milligrams per liter, are considered unhealthy. Oxygen is produced in the water by a variety of different processes. Wave action in lakes, rapids in streams and rivers, photosynthesis of plants and algae. Oxygen is used in the water in two basic ways: fish and other aquatic animals breathing it, and decomposition, which is when dead material biodegrades. The low quantities or the absence of oxygen in the water could be a signal of pollution. Certain types of pollution have the potential to cause low oxygen levels. Polluted runoff from yards, driveways, roofs, streets, parking lots, storm sewers, farm fields, ditches, open spaces. Pollution from runoff can cause low levels of dissolved oxygen to happen. When dissolved oxygen levels get too low for fish to breathe, a water body may experience a fish kill. In order to understand the overall health of Minnesota's waters, they are tested for dissolved oxygen levels on a periodic basis. This data from testing is compared to Minnesota's water quality standards for dissolved oxygen. Waters that meet standards are considered healthy, stable ecosystems. Waters where the dissolved oxygen is too low are designated as impaired. When a water body is designated as impaired, then Minnesota is required by federal law to study that water to determine why it is impaired and to write a plan that will correct that pollution, bringing the water back to meeting standard. By keeping oxygen levels high, we get better quality fisheries and avoid fish kills. We can ensure healthy oxygen levels and good fish and wildlife habitat by reducing pollution, keeping extra sediment, leaves, and dead plant material out of streams and lakes, protecting stream and ditch banks with natural armor, vegetation. By working together, we all can do our part in protecting and restoring Minnesota's water resources, which are a part of our heritage, identity, and legacy. To find water quality data and assessment results, visit the MPCA's website. For more information, contact your local Soil and Water Conservation District, your watershed district, RMB Environmental Laboratories, Department of Natural Resources, or the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. This program is brought to you in cooperation with the Red Lake Watershed District, RMB Environmental Laboratories, and the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, and funded by the Clean Water Land and Legacy Amendment.